Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? This is Mr. Spencer. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about absolute location. And absolute location, as you know, uses longitude and latitude to help find the pinpoint of a location. So we are going to basically look at absolute location through the lens of Google Earth and the NFL. So how we're going to do that is we are going to use Google Earth to find the different city or states that these NFL teams are located in, and we're going to put them here in this column where it says their home state. Then we're going to try to find the city's absolute location using Google Earth, and then we're going to come up with a relative location for that particular city. So let's do the Arizona Cardinals together. First, the Arizona Cardinals already leads us to the state that they are located in, Arizona. So we are going to try to do some research to try to find where the Arizona Cardinals play, what city. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in Arizona Cardinals. And now I'm going to try to look and see what city they or where their stadium is, and it looks like it's at the University of Phoenix Stadium, so I'll click that. And right off the bat, that leads me to know that, okay, it's in Glendale, Arizona, which we're going to use. We can even copy and paste that information. Now I'm going to go to Google Earth. I'm going to go to the search tab. I'm going to paste Glendale, Arizona, and click it. And now it's going to bring us to Glendale, Arizona. So at this point, I can see sort of a zoomed out version of where Glendale is on Google Earth. And I would go back to my paper that's on my desk, and I'm going to write in this box here, Glendale. Now I have to go to the city's absolute location. So what I'm going to do is go back to Google Earth, put my cursor right over the red pinpoint, and now I'm going to look at the bottom corner. And when I look at the bottom corner, you'll see 33 degrees north and then 112 degrees west. These numbers like 25 and 40 or 1 and 19, we don't need to include those because we are going to create a rough estimate. So when I put the cursor here, I now see 33 degrees north and 112 degrees west. So I'm going to go back to the document and write those degrees right here in this box. Now I have to come up with a relative location. So I will go to Google Earth again, look at Glendale, and I'm going to see Phoenix. So I'm now going to ask myself, well, Phoenix is a major city in Arizona, so I'm going to say, well, what direction is Glendale from Phoenix? Now, knowing that this is north, this is east, this is south, and this is west, Glendale is diagonal from Phoenix. So this is actually in the northwest direction. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the document and I'm going to say northwest of Phoenix. Northwest of Phoenix. I'm going to write in this box right here. So all you're trying to do is really come up with a relative location. I don't have to use cities, or I could also use more specific landmarks. Like if I zoom in even farther, and you'd have to zoom in even farther than that, but you can find different types of landmarks that are around, like Lawrence Park or Glendale High School. All right, so there are all different types of things that you can do here. The responses in this column will vary. So anyways, you're going to try to go through and do all of these different teams. Now, I purposefully left off the New York Giants and the Philadelphia Eagles, and I think most of you guys know why that is. Okay? The New England Patriots lost to the Eagles this last Super Bowl, and the New York Giants have unfortunately taken away 2 Super Bowls from the Patriots, so I will not put them on this list. And there are a few other teams that are also not on here, but mainly just due to the fact that I didn't want you guys to have to do all the teams in the NFL, which would take a lot of time. I figured that this would drive home the point of absolute location. just the teams that are here. So if you have any further questions after watching this, please raise your hand and I will come to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much, guys, and have a good class.